Welcome back to another Space Gas video tutorial. Continuing from the previous steel member design video, we will now run a design on the same checked model. This time, we choose design mode. We know from the check in the previous video that the members in our analysis model are over-designed, and one of the rafters has failed. Consequently, when running in design mode, Space Gas has chosen different member sizes and is recommending that we update the analysis model with them. It is important to update the analysis model so that the analysis and design are using the same member sizes. So let's click Yes. Note that you can also get to this point by choosing the Update item from the design menu. This tool lets us automatically iterate the static analysis, buckling analysis, and steel design components until the analysis and design member sizes match. We can then, once again, check the results graphically or query the members or get a report. The load factors are now all greater than 1, and you may have noticed that some of the member sizes have changed. That completes the design, except for the serviceability requirements. Serviceability can be checked by simply displaying the deflections for the unfactored load cases to see if they are within acceptable limits or not. If the deflections are excessive, we could simply increase some of the member sizes, reanalyze the model, and then run a final steel check to ensure that the model still complies with the design code.